I'm over here. Hey, where you going? What is that? Oh, I love it.
Hey, at least this year we know he's not going to steal any kids'
Yay.
their baskets.
What are you doing?
Did you take a picture of it, Grandpa?
Uh-huh.
Make sure you go close up.
Closer. Here we go.
She has to Tootsie Roll.
Look at me. Get a close up. Got pretty
Oh,
pictures.
Daddy, let her do it.
Thank you.
David?
You don't need it. Just let her forget to do it.